How to upload song on Tunecore using phone. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upload song on Tunecore using phone. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser, and in the search bar kindly enter tunecore.com. And if you haven't signed up for Tunecore yet, you can check the video description below for a special discount link. But before that, from here, if you don't know Tunecore, it is an online music distribution service that enables independent musicians, artists, and labels to distribute their music to various online platforms such as iTunes, Spotify, Amazon Music, and many more, in which it allows musicians to upload their music and retain ownership and control of their work while reaching global audience through digital stores and streaming platforms. And now to sign up, just click the sign up button below here, or you can click the link below the description and you will be directed on this page. And from here, to create an account on Tunecore, all you need to do is to fill out all of this required information such as your name, email address, password, and also choose or select your country. And just proceed by clicking the sign up button below to continue. And after that, you will be directed in here, in which the next thing that you need to do is to simply choose the plan. And as you can see, you can choose either unlimited plan or pay per release. And below here, it will show you the corresponding prices and the list of benefits it included. But let's say I'm going to choose pay per release plan, in which from here, it will show you that they offer a pre-plan in releasing a single or album. So gonna click get started to proceed. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And from here, to create a single or album, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information, starting from entering the single title or the album title. And after that, below here, the next thing that you need to do is to enter the artist name. And after entering the artist, just click the continue button below to proceed. Then after that, it will show you that your profile has been searched on Spotify. And you can choose either please provide link or create a Spotify page for me. And I'm going to select this second option, then proceed by clicking this button below here. Well, for the other one is the Apple Music. You could also choose the same option. Then after that, just proceed by clicking Save Selections button right here. And after adding the main artist, just select your answer if your song contains explicit lyrics. But I'm going to answer this no, since my track does not contain any explicit lyrics. And below here, you could also select a specific language of your single. Then proceed by entering the primary genre, such as blues, comedy, country, folk, French pop, and many more. And also below the secondary genre. And below the genre, it will show you that you can also schedule the release date of your single or album. So for instance, I'm going to schedule it to release on November 30. And below, you could even select the release time, which is for Spotify only, but I'm going to stick with this 12 AM in the listener's time zone. Then after that, if you scroll down below here, it will show you under the advanced distribution features that you can enter the label name and recording location. But those fields are only optional. So we can just skip this part and proceed by clicking Save Release and Add Songs button below here. But make sure that before we proceed, make sure that you fill out all of the required information in here. And after that, you will be directed on this page, in which below here you can simply add the distribution stores, the social platforms, which is automatically selected, and any other details. And by clicking this Add Stores, you will be directed on this page, in which it will show you a variety of stores that you can choose, including iTunes, Spotify, Amazon Music, Pandora, and many more. And after selecting some of the digital stores, just proceed by clicking the Save button to proceed. And after that, going back on this page right here, it will show you that the store that we selected has now been saved. So just click OK. And below here, the next thing that we need to do is to simply add the songwriter, in which at least one songwriter is required for this song, since each songwriter should be credited. And if you want to add additional songwriter, you can do so by simply clicking the button Add Songwriter. And after that, under the copyright ownership, below here you can simply answer the question by selecting yes or no. But I'm going to select no since this is not the cover version of another song. And after that, if you scroll down below here, you can simply add an album art or album photo cover by clicking Edit Artwork button. You will be directed on this page and under the single checklist, and below here, all you need to do is to click this upload option. And after that, it will show you below here some of the template that you can choose in uploading your album artwork. But if you want to upload your artwork from your files, you can do so by simply clicking Upload Your Artwork button. But below here, I'm just going to select a templates. So kindly click on it, and after that, you will be directed in here, in which it will show you how your artwork will look like. And below the panel, it will show you a variety of editing tools that you can use. Then just proceed by clicking the Save button below to continue. And now, as you can see, we have now successfully adding the album artwork. So the next thing that we need to do is to simply upload the music files. And in order to do that, under the single checklist, kindly proceed by clicking the upload option. But it says here that before uploading your music or your song, make sure that the files are in accepted format, which is stereo files in 24-bit with 192 kHz, but 16-bit with 44.1 kHz are also accepted files. And now to proceed uploading a song or music, kindly proceed by clicking the upload, or alternatively, you could also go on this section under the songs, and from here it will show you a button that says Upload Stereo. So to proceed, kindly click on it, and after that it will show you the two options, which is to choose an option such as recorder or choosing the files from your phone. So let's say we already selected or choose the music files in our phone, in which that files will serve as our first track, and after uploading your song or your music files, it will show you a button here that you can choose either to replace stereo or upload Atmos, in which it is important since it is a surround sound technology that aims to create an immersive audio experience for listeners. However, I'm just going to skip this part and proceed by clicking the Distribute with Plan button below here, and click Go to Checkout, and after that, just wait for it to load, and you will be directed in here, in which it will show you under the order summary some of the items that you accumulate, including the new artists which offer unlimited plan amounting to $14.99 US. And aside from that, below here, it will show you the other fee and other plan that you avail. And now to proceed uploading your album or your song, kindly proceed by clicking this upgrade plan. Since it says here if you're using a pre-plan, you cannot release your music as configured. So just upgrade your plan to complete your distribution order. Since Tunecore, like many other music distribution services, typically offers different tiers or plans for artists to release their music. So that is just how you can upload song on Tunecore using phone. Thank you.